Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art and you are here to paint with us. And I have a very special guest. What's your name?
Porter.
Porter, and how old are you?
4.
4. Oh, and what's your favorite colors?
Blue and orange.
Yeah.
Good
Which is
colors.
so good because we are gonna paint those today. And Porter's joining me to paint these fun masks. So you can put them over your eyes. So we're gonna paint these. So if you have our box, go and grab your masks that came in them. Now, there are 3 different kinds, so you can pick which ones you want to paint. And then the colors we're using are all the colors. Now, if you don't have these exact colors, you can use any of them. So we have a green called emerald green. We have violet, which is like purple. We have berry blue, which is a dark blue, and tangerine, which is orange. So I was so excited to have Porter because we have his favorite colors. Now, the other thing is make sure to have a cup of water and your paper towel and paintbrushes. So the first step is Porter and I are going to show you where you can do 2 different things. Porter is gonna go ahead and paint his mask, so I'm gonna squeeze out some color for him. Or if you want to draw a design, I'm gonna show you how you can use a pencil. So first, squeeze out, oh, and I almost forgot. Porter, we're gonna say something together. So we have a motto, which is like a saying. So if you can raise this hand, raise your right hand up like this. Yeah, raise it. And then repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I'm brave.
I am kind.
I'm kind.
I am creative.
I am creative.
Let's do this. That was so good. And then let's fist pump. You gonna do that? Yeah. Okay, so Porter, what you're gonna do is you are going to use your paintbrush. See how there's a big one and a small one? You can choose which one you wanna paint. And you've painted with watercolors before. So remember, you dip in water and then you're gonna pick any color. So this one's orange, I'll show you. That one's orange, and there's your blue. So you can use both of those colors. Now, Porter's gonna go ahead and you're gonna paint directly on here. So yeah, dip in here. Yeah. And then paint it. Whoa! So fun. So you can draw any type of design. So Porter's gonna paint some lines. Now, if you want to, I'm gonna show you how you can use a pencil first. If you like to use pencils, I'm gonna show you some designs. So this is a fun design. There are so many different kinds. This one, and then I was playing with the green and the purple. Can you see that? Yeah. Mm-hmm. And this kind of look like Hulk.
Yes, it does.
On
Big
accident.
fan of Hulk.
So you are creative, so you get to design it however you like.
Yeah, you can choose the colors that are your favorite superhero.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
And Porter had a good idea because you're gonna make this like for Halloween, right? That's coming up. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to do a design with me, there are some different ideas. So you can either draw diagonal lines, so you can draw diagonal lines all the way across. You can draw some swirls if you want to do that. Or like on this one where I had some dots. So you can do any of that. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this one because this is kind of fun. So I'm just gonna draw some lines around this. Porter, you can keep painting, you're doing awesome. So I'm gonna draw a line around the eyes.
Ooh, cool color, Porter.
Nice, oh, you mixed it. So I'm just gonna draw a design. So I want you to draw your own design. And I made mine kind of come to a point. This one kind of looks like a bird, maybe. What do you see?
The word prima donna comes to mind. Maybe from Phantom of the Opera.
Oh yeah, a masquerade mask.
Yes.
So I'm gonna draw some lines. Maybe it'll help me if I draw some diagonal lines. So again, this is a step that you can take, but you do not have to do this if you don't want to. Like we're seeing Porter, he's just going for it and painting different colors. So I'm gonna draw these. Porter, do you like Halloween? Yeah. You like trick-or-treating? And getting candy? So now that I have my pencil lines, I'm going to paint like Porter is. Now, here's the fun thing. Again, you are creative, so you get to pick any colors that you want. So I'm gonna dip my brush in water. I'm just gonna pick a color. Let's see what I pick. Purple. So I'm gonna start with the outline of my eyes. So I'm just gonna paint directly. And these masks are so fun. You're probably not used to painting on a 3D object. We haven't done, I think this might be our first time.
Cool, yeah, I think so too.
So I wanted to do something fun and different, especially if you like to dress up for Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
Porter, do you know what you're gonna be for Halloween?
I want this to be a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Nice. Oh, your mask is gonna be a pumpkin?
And my dress is gonna be a pumpkin.
Oh, sweet.
Sweet.
I remember one year you were an owl,
What?
right? He was an owl? Yeah. That would be this would be a good mask if you were an owl.
This would be great on.
Okay, so as we are finishing up,
I'm already done.
you're already done. Good job.
Nice.
So we were just saying it dries really quickly. Do you want to put it on? So you pull the strap and put it over your head.
Whoa.
Yeah. You're a pumpkin now. That's so fun. Thank you for painting with me. That was so good. So we want to see what you make. So take a picture of you with your mask. And we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Project. We have an Instagram called Let's Make Art Kids. Share with us. We want to see what you make. And maybe if you're going to wear yours for Halloween, tell us what your costume is. It'd be fun to see. Thank you, Porter, for painting with me. Thank you both for being here. And thank you for painting with us. So always remember, like our motto, you are brave, kind, and super creative because you had fun painting on something different. So we'll see you next time. Bye.